Buckle up, RHONJ viewers. Dolores Catania says Season 12 is going to feature fights like you've never seen before, and that includes Season 1's The Last Supper. Even though the premiere of The Real Housewives of New Jersey Season 12 is still a few months away, the cast has been hyping it up for quite some time. And most recently, Dolores Catania shared that the newest season might be its wildest one yet. Make sure you watch this season. It's a good one, she told HollywoodLife at Mohegan Sun's 25th anniversary celebration on October 23. It'll have very heated fights like you've never seen. A trailer for Season 12 hasn't been released yet, but all of the ladies have said that this season will be a wild one. Even Melissa Gorga told us the new season is crazy. It's wild. It reminds me of like the table flip craziness, so I think the fans are going to love it. It's a lot longer than the previous ones. Everyone was asking for that, so they're going to get it. Related gallery. Dolores Catania, photos of the reality star. Furthermore, while recently making an appearance on HollywoodLife's Real Housewives focused podcast, Pay Attention, Police, Jackie Goldschneider said she experiences a really emotional moment that'll surprise viewers this season. She didn't divulge much more than that, but she was happy to say that most of the drama didn't revolve around her this time around. At least, not as much as it did last season when Teresa accused her husband, Evan, of cheating on her. Bravo has yet to reveal an exact premiere date, but Season 12 of RHONJ is expected to debut in early 2022.